Hi everyone, welcome back for this quick tutorial on AI prompt engineering. I'm Crystal Feminilla and I'm the Technology Integration Specialist here at Phoenix Elementary School District. And today we're going to be taking a look at a new technique called chunking. It is new but old. We do it all the time into classrooms. We break things down into more manageable steps for students to follow when we're delivering a lesson. So it's really a game changer when it comes to AI for getting more specific results for what we're looking for. So what exactly is chunking when it comes to AI prompting? It's simply the process of dividing a complex task or question into a smaller series of steps. So let's say I'm a second grade teacher and I need help planning a lesson on the life cycle of a butterfly. Instead of putting one big prompt, like we've previously learned in root prompting, we're going to chunk it down into smaller steps. So instead of one big prompt, we can chunk it like this. Prompt 1 is going to be, I need a science lesson plan for a 45-minute class for second graders on the life cycle of a butterfly. What are the key stages I should cover? So this is a great start. Now let's build upon prompt number 1 with our second prompt. For each of those stages, can you suggest one engaging activity or visual aid I could use with my students? All right, so now we're getting better. We're getting some more detailed results. So now let's build upon prompt number 2. Our prompt 3 is going to be, now can you help me write a brief assessment, 2 to 3 questions, to check the understanding of a butterfly life cycle at the end of the lesson. All right, and then our final prompt is going to be, finally, can you suggest one extension activity for students who finish early or want to learn more about butterflies? Now you can see how each prompt builds upon the previous one. We started with the basic need, and then we asked for specific elements such as activities, assessments, and extensions. This approach gives AI clear direction and results in a much more comprehensive and useful lesson plan. Now you can also add in all of those things that we talked about last week for our root prompt too. So if you need more scaffolding, or you want to include PSYOP strategies or some strategies for your gifted students, you can go ahead and keep prompting and build those prompts onto each other. Now let's look at another scenario. Imagine you're a principal and you need to write a draft of a communication to parents for an upcoming school event. We can use chunking here as well. So my first prompt is going to be, I need to write an email to parents at Garfield Elementary School about an upcoming science exploration day. All right, and then my second prompt is going to be, what are the key pieces of information that I absolutely need to include into this email? Some examples may be purpose, date, time, location, what to bring. My third prompt, building upon prompt number 2, is going to be, can you draft a subject line that is engaging and informative for this email? And then my next prompt is going to be, now using that key information we identified, draft the body of the email in a friendly and informative tone. And then finally, can you suggest a call to action for parents such as RSVPing or volunteering? And then you could always follow up with a last prompt asking it to identify anything you may have missed or how it can make this draft better. By breaking down the email creation process, people can ensure that all essential information is included and the tone is just right. Now, beyond chunking, here's some more tips on enhancing our AI prompting. Be specific. The more details you provide, the better the AI can understand your needs. Include grade levels, subject areas, specific topics, desired outcomes, and any constraints. Define your role. We learned this in our first video for persona prompting. You want to make sure you tell AI who it is, or maybe who you are. Specify the format. If you need that output in a specific format, such as a table, a bulletin list, a lesson plan with specific sections, tell it this. Ask for clarification. Don't be afraid to ask AI to clarify its responses or give more detail on a specific point. Refine and ask questions. The AI responses rarely are perfect on the first try. Be prepared to refine your prompts based on the initial output to get closer to what you need. And then think about keywords. Think about the keywords that you want to use if you were searching for this information yourself, and include them in your prompts. By using the power of chunking and these additional prompting techniques, you can significantly enhance your interactions with AI chatbots and make them a valuable tool in your daily work. Experiment with these strategies and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Happy prompting!